Good morning students. Let us review in the previous class. In the previous class we have learned about the identities. What are the identities we have learned? Three identities we have learned. Is it? The first one is x plus y the whole squared. Is it? Equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay. And second one of the identity, x minus y the whole square is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And third one of that identity, x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y into x minus y. I hope you are all understood it. Identities. Okay, so from these identities we make the another one of the formula that is called the reducing identities. Okay, reduced identities or reducing identities. From this formula we have to find out the value of x square plus y square. So what we get, so stay the value of, we need the value of x square plus y square. Then stay the value of x square plus y square in this place plus 2xy move to this side. Okay, plus 2xy move to this side by using the transpose method, plus change to minus. So what we get, the formula x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. Okay, and second one, here also we have need the x square plus y square. Okay, for this formula x square plus y square, sometimes given x minus y the whole squared value. Okay, sometimes give the value of x minus y the whole squared and xy. Okay, how do you find out the value of x squared plus y square? We have used this formula. Okay, so minus 2xy come to this side plus, so x plus y, sorry, x minus y the whole square, minus move to that side by using transpose method, minus change to positive 2xy, 2xy. Okay, so add these two values. For example, we have add to these values from these two values. Okay, so add these two formulas. What we get, we have considered one, make another one of the formula. Okay, add 1 and 2. What we get, 2, is it? 2 times of x squared plus y squared, is it? Equal to here x plus y the whole square, okay, minus 2xy plus x minus y the whole square plus 2xy. These two terms will be cancelled because so one is negative sign, another one is positive. So same like variables, so it cancel. What we get, x plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square divided by, here 2 is there, so move to in this side, product come to this side, division. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to x plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square divided by 2, divided by 2. Okay, so these are the values of x square plus y square. So for the given statement we have using these three different reducing identities. Okay, for given data, for example here the data are x plus y the whole square and xy values are given, we have used this formula. In case x minus y the value is given and xy value is given, you have used this second formula. In case the values of x plus y the whole square and x minus y the whole square values are given, you have used this formula. Okay, so for our problem we have used different identities. for apply and find the value of the given data. Okay, now move to the example problems. See the first example 20. So concept with identity related examples. Okay, simplify the following. Simplify the following. A is equal A. The first one 2A plus 3B the whole squared is given. So we have observed from the data which identity we have applied in this place. A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square. Already you know that the formula. What is the identity? 1. X plus or any variable. Okay, A plus B the whole square or X plus Y the whole square is equal to, what is that identity? X squared plus Y squared plus 2XY. Okay, right? Now apply in this place. What is the X value here? Here X is equal to, what is the X value here? 2A. And what is the Y value? 3B. Okay, now substitute and find the answer. 2A plus 3B the whole square is equal to, what is the expanded form? X squared. So X squared means what is the value? 2A the whole squared plus Y squared. What is that value? 3B the whole square plus 2 into, what is the X value? 2A into, what is the value of Y? 3B. Okay, now multiply. What is the value of 4? 2 power 2, 4. A square. So answer for 2A the whole square is 4A square plus 3 squared B square. So 9B square plus, multiply the terms. The factor 2 into 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. Multiply the variables. So answer for this problem 4A square plus 9B square plus 12AB. Okay, right. And next one B, 4T minus 3 the whole square. So which identity? This is the identity 1, is it? And next which identity we have applied? A minus B the whole square formula. Okay, so here what is the X value? 40. Y value is equal to 3. We have used the identity 2. What is that formula? X minus Y the whole square is equal to X square minus 2XY plus Y square. Okay, now substitute the values in that identity 2. So 4 minus T the whole squared is equal to, so X value is 40. 40 the whole square minus 2 into, what is the X value? 40 into Y value was 3 plus Y value was 3 the whole square. 3 the whole square. Okay, so 4 squared is 16T square. Okay, 4 multiplied itself twice a times. So 16T square minus 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are and 4T plus 3 square 9. So the answer for this problem 16T square minus 24T plus 9. Okay. In C problem, z minus 5 by 2 into z plus 5 by 2. Observe from the given data, we use the which identity? Identity number 3. What is that? X minus 1, X plus Y or any values, okay, any variables. X minus Y we get X square minus Y square. So that is the identity 3. Identity 3. So substitute that values here. X is equal to, what is the X value here? 7. Sorry, Z. And Y value was 5 by 2. Substitute in the identity Z minus 5 by 2 into Z plus 5 by 2 equal to X square. What is the X square value? Z square minus what is the Y value? 5 by 2 the whole square. 5 by 2 the whole square. It can in expanded form Z square minus 5 square is 25 by 2 square value was 4. So answer for this problem is Z square minus 25 by 4. Okay. Now move to the next example. Evaluate without actual multiplication. Evaluate without actual multiplication. The numbers, the numerals is given 98 into 102 and B problem 105 the whole square is given. 105 the whole square is given. Okay, so 98. Can be written as, how can you write? So 100 minus 2 we get the 98, is it? 98 can be written as 100 minus 2 and 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now we get the identity form of X minus Y into X plus Y form. We have applied in this place identity 3. What is that? X minus Y into X plus Y equal to X square minus Y square. Substitute here. Here X value is 100. Okay, so 100 the whole square minus Y value is 2 the whole square. Is it? Right here. Here X equal to 100. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. So 100 square what we get? 10,000. Okay, minus 4. Subtract from 10,000 by 4 we get 9,996. Okay, right. And next one of that problem B. 105 the whole square. So it can return as 100 plus 5 the whole square. So which is in the form of A plus B the whole square. So identity 1. So what is that formula? X plus Y the whole square is equal to X square plus 2xy plus Y square. Okay, here X equal to 100, Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Now substitute in the formula X plus Y the whole square. First term is X square. X value is 100. So 100 square plus 2 into X value is 100 into Y value is 5. Okay, plus 5 square. Now we expanded this 100 square, is it? 100 square means 10,000 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 into 100,000, okay, plus 25. Add all the values. What we get? 5 2 0 1 1. So answer for this problem 11,025. 11,025. Okay. And now move to the example 22. If x plus 1 by x equal to 3, find the value of, you have to find out the values. Okay, first one, x squared plus 1 by x squared, b1 x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Okay, you know that the formula for x plus y the whole square, but here x value is x, y value is given in the 1 by x, 1 by x, that's it. Okay, so you have first to find out the first one. Find the first one, what is given, x squared plus 1 by x squared, you have to find out. Okay, to find. Okay, so first write the formula, x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to, okay, use the identity 1, identity 1, x squared, okay, x value is x, plus, what is the identity formula, x plus y the whole squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, is it? So x value is here x, y value is 1 by x, here x equal to x, y is equal to 1 by x. Now substitute, x value is x squared plus 2 into x value is x, y value is 1 by x, okay, plus y value is 1 by x the whole square, whole square. X squared plus 2 into x into 1 by x, x will be cancelled, okay, plus here 1 by y value is 1 by x the whole square, is it? Y value is 1 by x the whole square. So x squared plus 2 plus 1 by x the square. Okay, what we find out, x squared plus 1 by x squared only we have to find out, is it? Have to find out these values. Okay, so in this side, what is given, x plus 1 by x the whole squared. So plus 2 come to this side, minus 2 equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared. What is the value of x plus 1 by x? Already given. If x plus 1 by x value was 3. So 3 is the whole squared minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared. So 3 square value already know, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, 9 minus 2, 7. So answer for this first problem is 7. Okay, now find out the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. B, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 to find. So already you know that value, is it? So x squared plus 1 by x the whole square value is 7, is it? Now you have find out the square value. Okay, squaring on the both side. 7 the whole square. So what we get? a plus b the whole square formula. Here x value is x square, y value is 1 by x square. Okay, carefully apply in the identity 1. So what is that formula? X squared. X squared value is x squared. Okay, x squared value, x value is x square, the whole square. Okay, the formula is x square plus y square plus 2xy, is it? X plus y the whole square. Okay, here x value is x square. X value is x square, already having the power 2 also in the equation, the formula. Okay, so x square the whole square plus y square. So what is the y value? 1 by x the whole square, the whole power 2, whole power 2 plus 2 into, what is the x value? X square. Y value is 1 by x square. Okay, right hand side having 7 square. What is the value of 7 square? 49. These two terms will be cancelled. Okay, so what is the square value of square? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is equal to 49. What we find out? We have need the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 only we have need. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 49. To move to that side, by using the transpose method, we get the answer is 47. So answer for this second one, x power 4 1 by x power 4 is equal to 47. Okay, now move to the example 23. If x plus y, the condition is given 7 and xy is equal to 3, find the value of, to find x square plus y square. The beginning of the class already explained about the how to find out the value of x square plus y squared. Okay, see here the positive value is given, x plus y value is given. Okay, here negative value is given, you have used the identity 2. Here positive value is given, so you have used the identity 1. What is that? X plus y the whole squared is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, now substitute the values. What is the value of x plus y? 7 square. Okay, you have to find out the value of x square plus y square. 2 into xy value is given, xy value was 3. Okay, so x square plus y square plus 3, 2 3 is 6. Here 7 square value is 49. So 6 come to this side, minus 6 is equal to x square plus y square. So we get the answer for this problem. X square plus y square is equal to 43. That's it. Okay, now move to the example 24. 24. For x is equal to, here also give it the some values of x equal to 3 by 5 and y is equal to 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Okay, find the value of expression. So one of the algebraic expression is given, 25x square plus 49y square plus 70xy. 70xy. Okay. Okay, so you see here, how can you write this? The square values are given, is it? So what is the square value of 25? 5 square. Okay, here 49, here 7 square. Okay, it can written in the power of 2. Okay, solution 25 can be written as 5x the whole square. Is it? Can you written? Why? This is a power of 5. Okay. So 5 power 2. Okay. So 5 power 2 value is 25. X square we get the x square. Okay. Plus 49 can be written in the power 7 square. So 7y the whole square. Okay. Is in the form of here a plus b the whole square, that is x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus y square in the form 2xy. Is it? What is that formula? Identity 1, x square plus y square into 2x plus y equal to x plus y the whole square. Identity 1. Okay, already you know that. Okay, so we have written the x square y square, and next one is 2 into, what is the x value here? 5x into y value is 7y. Now multiply. 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So 70xy. So this form is given, we have write like this. Okay. How can you written in this formula? This is in the form of identity 1. So we can written this algebraic expression as of x plus y the whole square. Is it? So what is the x value here? 5x plus y value is 7y the whole square. Have written like this. Okay, this is the equation number 1. So which condition is given? Here give it the x value is 3 by 5. X value is, now substitute the value of x equal to 3 by 5 and y equal to 4 by 7 in equation number 1. In the equation number 1, substitute 5 into x value was 3 by 5, okay, plus 7 into y value was 4 by 7, the whole squared. So 5 cancel, here 7 will be cancel. So what we get? 3 plus 4 the whole square. 3 plus 4 the whole square. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 square, you know the value 49. You know the value of 49. So what we find out? 4x is equal to 3 by 5 and y is equal to 4 by 7. Find the value of the expression. So what is the answer for this expression? Thus, the value of an expression, what is the expression? 25 x square plus 49 y square plus 70 xy is equal to 49. Equal to 49. Okay, right. Now see the exercise problems. Copy in your classwork note. Okay, properly write the classwork note. Now see the exercise problem. 5.3. The first one, expand the following using appropriate identities. Okay, so some values is given, have to expand it in the appropriate identities. So first one is homework, and I'll do the B problem. A minus 1 by 3 the whole square. So which identity we have applied in this place? X minus y the whole square. Is it? Write the solution. What is the value of x here? Here x is equal to a. Okay, a. Y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, we know that what is that formula? x plus y the whole minus is given, x minus y the whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 2xy. Now substitute in the values in this equation. So x value is a minus y value is 1 by 3 the whole square is equal to x value is a. So a square plus y value is 1 by 3 the whole square minus 2 into x value is a, y value is 1 by 3. Okay. So a square plus 1 by 9, okay, minus 2a by 3. That's all. 2a, okay. 2a by 3. That's it. And next one, C, D are the homework using the identities 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now move to the second problem. Find the following product using identities. Okay. This also the same type is given. Okay. Second, the first one, A, 3p minus 1 by 2 and 3p plus 1 by 2. Okay. It is in the identity 3. It is in the form of identity 3. What is that identity? What is that formula, ma? We know that. What is that formula? X minus y or x plus y. Okay. We will write a factors, multiple of factors. Okay. So x minus y into x plus y or x plus y into x minus 1 is equal to x squared minus y squared. Here x value is 3p, y value is 1 by 2. Okay. So answer 3p minus 1 by 2 into 3p plus 1 by 2 is equal to x value is 3p the whole square minus y value is 1 by 2 the whole square. So write in expanded, 3 square value is 9, p squared minus 1 by 4. So that is the answer. Okay, right. And next one, B problem. Seven x plus 4y, 7x minus 4y. Okay, this also same identity, is it? So I will write directly here. X value is 7x, y value is 4y, 4y. So identity 7x plus 4y into 7x minus 4y is equal to x square. X square value of x value is 7x. So 7x the whole square, okay, minus y square value is 4y. 4y the whole square. So 7 square is 49 x squared minus 4 square is 16. 16 y square is y square. So answer for this problem 49 x squared minus 16 y squared. And third one, find the square of the following. Find the square of the following. A problem homework. B 2x plus 1 by 5y. 1 by 5y. See also homework. Okay. Find the square. Square means whole. Okay. Whole power square. Solution. 2x plus 1 by 5y. Y here. Okay. The whole square. So it is in the form of identity 1. What is that? X plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay. First write the x value. Here write the identity first. Identity 1, x plus y the whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Okay, here x value is 2x, y value is 1 by 5y, 1 by 5y. Now substitute in the identity x squared value. So 2x the whole square plus y squared value is 1 by 5y the whole square plus 2 into x value is 2x, y value is 1 by 5y. Now expand 2 square value is 4, x square plus 1 by 25. Why do you write 25? 5 square. Okay, 5 square value is 25. Y square plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 5. The variables x and y. So answer for this problem 4x square plus 1 by 25 y square plus 4 by 5xy. Okay. Now move to the next one. Fourth one, evaluate without actual multiplication. So A and B are the homework. Okay, easiest one. Now do the C problem. Okay, 98 into 102. 98 into 102. Okay, without actual method means we have using the identities. Okay, now 98 into 102 can be written as 98 written as in the form of 100 minus 2, we get the value as 98 into sum of 100 plus 2, we get the 102. Okay, now we get the identity 3 in the form of x minus y into x plus y. Okay, so here write the identity 3, x minus y into x plus y equal to x square minus y square. Okay, here x value is 100. So 100 square, okay, minus y squared value is 2 square. Okay, now write an expanded 100 squared is 10,000. 10,000 minus 4. 2 square value is 4. So 9,996 is the answer for this problem. Okay, and now move to the next one. D. 497 into 503. So solution 500. Okay, 497 can be written 500 minus 3. Here 500 plus 3. Okay, it is in the form of identity 3. Okay, write the identity. What is that? X minus y into x plus y equal to x squared minus y squared. Here x value is 500. Okay, here x value is 500, y is equal to 3. Now substitute the formula 500 square minus y value is 3 the whole square. So 25 5 square is 25. So 2 zeros square we get the 4 zeros. 4 zeros. Okay, right. So 3 square is 9. Subtract this 10 1. So remaining terms 9 9. Here 4. Here is 2. Okay. The 2,49,991 is the answer for this problem. Now move to the fifth one. Find the value of fifth one. Find the value of x squared plus y squared to find. Okay. Fifth problem solution. to find x square plus y square if x plus y is, if x plus y is equal to 11 and xy is equal to 9. Okay, you have to find out the value of x square plus y square. How do you find out? Here check the given data in positive. So we are using the identity 1, x plus y the whole square. Okay, identity, we know that x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, so what is the value of x plus y? X square plus y value was 11, is it? So 11 square is equal to, we have to find out the value of x square plus y square. So stay here. And then what is the value of x, y? X into y value is 9. Okay, now multiply 2 9s are 18. Okay, here 11 square 121. Now plus 18 come to this side, we get minus 18 in this place. Okay, subtract 121 minus 18. So 11. Okay, so 3 here 1 0. So 103. So x square plus y square value was 103. That's it. And sixth problem same type, and seventh also the same method. Okay, and now do the homework 6 and 7. Okay, now do the 8th and 9th problems. 8th one, very easiest one, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 83. Okay, then find x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x we have to find out. So here minus value is there. So using the identity 2. Okay, so we know that the identity x minus y the whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy, minus 2xy. So here x value is x, y value is 1 by x, y value is 1 by x. Substitute in this identity x minus 1 by x the whole squared is equal to x squared plus y value was 1 by x the whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. So these terms will be cancelled. Okay, you know the value of x minus 1 by x? No, we have to find out the value of this one. Okay, here you know the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 83. Okay, so x square plus 1 by x square, so minus 2 here. Now substitute the given data for this value. 83 minus 2 is 81. Here x minus 1 by x the whole squared value was 81. We have need the value of 1 by x. X minus 1 by x only. So square move to this side, square root of 81. What is the value of square root of 81? 9. Okay, so answer for this problem, x minus 1 by x equal to 9. Okay, 9th one homework, the same method already you have do it in the example problem. Okay, so 9th one is homework, and 10th one, evaluate the following algebraic expression for given values of the variables. The first one is homework. Second problem, B problem. The given data, p power 4 plus 12p squared q squared plus 36 q power 4. Okay, for p is equal to 1 by 2 q is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. You have find out evaluate the algebraic expression for the given values. So kuduthirukka value ku you have find out the answer. Okay, so substitute in this value in this equation. Okay, so p value was 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 the whole power 4 is equal plus 12 into p's value was 1 by 2 the whole square into q value was 1 by 3 the whole square plus 36 into 36 into q value was 1 by 3 the whole power 4. Okay, now simplify. So what is the value? 1 by 2 power 4, is it? 1 by 2 power 4. That is the meaning of 2 multiplied at the 4 times. So 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. So 4 4s are 16. Okay, I will write another one of the step. Okay, 12 into 1 by 2 power 2 into 1 by 3 power 2 plus 36 into 1 by 3 power 4. Okay, so 1 by 16, is it? How can you write this? 2 multiplied itself 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. Okay, here 12 into here 1 by 4, 2 square, okay, into here 3 square is 9, okay, plus 36 into 1 by 3 power 4. So 3 multiplied itself how many times? 4 times. So 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9. So 9 9s are 81. Okay, you will write like this because it's cancelled in 9 table. So the cancellation purpose I have write like this. Okay, so it cancel 9, 4s are 36. Okay, here 4 3s are 12. Okay, again 3 table, 3 3s are 9, that's it. Okay, so 1 by 16 here 1 by 3 plus 4 by 9, 4 by 9. So now you have to find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 16, 3, 9, 36. Okay, 36, 16, 144. So LCM for this value 144. 144. Okay, LCM of 16, 3, 9 is 144. The 1 by 16, which number multiply numerator and denominator? 9 times. Okay, plus 1 by 3. So how many times multiply? If 4s are 12, 24, 8s are, so 48. And plus 4 by 9 into how many times? 16 times. 16 times. Okay, multiply the numerator 9 by 144 plus 48 by 144 plus 16 4s are 64, 6 4s are 24, 64. Okay, 144. Now add the numerator value of 64 plus 48 plus 9. Okay, so 12 12 So answer for this problem 121 by 144. So evaluate this value was 121 by 144. Okay. So homework (5.3) ACD 3 AC 4 AB and 6th 7th 9th 10th A problem. Okay, I hope you all understood the today concept. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.